Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we would like to explain about some material today. What is that? Now we will explain about a review text. As you know, we have now about kind of text, right? So one of them is review text. So today we would like to explain about review text. So here we go. Before we explain, we are going to introduce our group. I am Habib Maulana Ashauki, my partner Muhammad Azrul Saifuddin, and Mardiani. Next slide. Okay, for the first, this is a definition of review text. What is review text? Maybe some of you have you ever read the book or read novel or listen to music, and maybe you have ever like review or like comment about some of the art, like you have reading a book and then you comment about like this, about what is the good and the worst from the like art lah, like that. We are going to the definition, right? Definition from review text is an evaluation of a publication such as movie, video game, musical composition, book, a piece of hardware like a car, home appliance, or computer, or an event or performance such as a live music concert, a play, musical theater show, or dance show. So review text is like we are give comment on give evaluation or critique from the art that we have reviewed before. And then next we are going to the purpose of review text. Review text is used to evaluate, review, critique the event of artwork for the reader or listener, such as movies, shows, books, and the others. Like review text is like to analyze or evaluate some creative works and to inform people about strength and weakness from the art that we have reviewed. And then we are going to the next generic structure of review text. There are four generic structure of review text. For the first is orientation or introduction. It's mean like background information of the text, the general information about the art that you have to review, like the name, the function, like that. And then the second is evaluation, like concluding statement, judgment, opinion, or recommendation. This is describe about the detail of the art of work that have you reviewed. It can be the unique or the quality, and then this is using effect. Then the third is interpretative recount. It means a summary of an artwork, including character or plot. It is use your opinion, usually like the strength or weakness, and sometimes we can compare, like we have reviewed we review the novel, like we have to review the strength or weakness, the good or the bad from this artwork. Like we can also compare from the artwork for the other artwork, like we can compare the other books or the other novel that similar to this artwork. And then the last is evaluation summation. Like it means the last opinion consisting the appraisal or the punchline of the artwork being criticized. Nah, like in this part you can give comment about the art, like it is worth it or no. Like for the example, you have buy novel, like for the quality, the price, like it is worth it or no, the price like this with the art like this, like that. Understand, right? And then next review have language features. For the first is using simple present tense. What is simple present tense? It is used verb 1. And then the use of adjective praise and appraisal, like for the example bad, good, valuable, and the others. And then the next is the use of complex and compound sentence, and then the use of metaphorical expression, and then the last the use of noun phrase. And then we're going to the example of review text. Nah, like this. As you can see from the slide, this is the title is Harry Potter and the the Half-Blood Prince movie review. And then, we are going to explain the generic structure from the review. And then the first is introduction, right? Lah, as I have explained before, introduction, it is a background information from the text. Attention to the introduction. The part all and each Harry Potter series, but movies and blood hold a particular part in my heart, blah blah blah, until Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. This is like the general information from the text that we want to review. And then from the next, we're going to the evaluation. Evaluation is concluding statement like judgment or opinion or recommendation. Like we can use the unique or the quality from this artwork. Like we can also read evaluation may slightly unsatisfying for those who read the book, blah blah blah, until when the series began, it was as much as feel-good experience. The stories were bright, fast-paced, intriguing, and ultimately satisfying. From this sentence, this is the unique of the art. And then we are going to next interpretation. Like this, like the strength of the weakness from the art. You can also read Harry Potter books have been a hit and been more potent since the Warner Bros. Decide to bring it to life through a movie, blah blah blah, until but not the very depressing feel once again must be seen on this movie, blah blah blah, until the Half-Blood Prince, the last sentence. Understand? Then next to the summary, this is the last opinion that are of being your criticized. So for the first, the sentence is nevertheless, this is a still excellent movies to watch and of course worth your time. 7 stars out of 10. This is 7 stars out of 10. This is like your score, like your opinion, like your this is worth it or no for your watch, maybe like that. This is the score that you give to this artwork, blah blah blah, until like that. And after this, understand, right? Okay, so we are going to the next slide. This is exercise, so it will make you more understand about our material today. It will be explained by my friend Azrul.
Okay, this is the exercise for you, but before you fill this exercise, you read the text firstly. Okay, number 1. What is the main idea of the second paragraph? Yep, the answer is D. Why D is the correct answer? Let's check the text. Can you find or see the sentence that say, especially in paragraph 2 and the last sentence, the poor condition of the school building doesn't dampen their high spirit and hopes for a better future. From this sentence explains that the condition of their buildings and school don't reduce enthusiasm and high hopes for the future better. So from this sentence, the main idea of the second paragraph of the text is D. Laskar Pelangi is about an inspiring story towards a better life. So why are the answer of A, B, C, and E wrong? Because those answers don't relate with the paragraph of the second paragraph. Okay, you can check carefully. Okay, number 2. From the text above, we know that the correct one is C. Look at the sentence in paragraph 3 and the first sentence that say 2 years later the novel became a phenomenon in Indonesian literature. This sentence explains that the novel Laskar Pelangi becomes a phenomenon in Indonesian literature. So the text shows that the novel of Laskar Pelangi is a phenomenal work of literature. So the correct answer is D. Okay, I hope this material, this exercise useful for you all. Okay, I am Muhammad Azrul Syafiuddin. Back to you.
Okay, well, do you understand right about the material, about the exercise? How was is it? It is really fun, right? So makes we are not boring. We will have the ice breaking, and then we are going to the listening music. After you listening to the music, let's review. It will be explained by my friend Mardiani.
Hello friends, my name is Mardiani. Hi friends, we have a song. I want you to listen to that song and find the wrong sentences. Let's begin.
Everything's been so messed up here lately. Pretty sure he don't wanna be my baby. Oh, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, but that's okay. 'Cause I love me, I love me, I love me, I love myself anyway. Hey, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be okay. It's gonna be a good, good life. That's what my therapist say. Everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be just fine. It's gonna be a good, good life. I'm a mess, I'm a loser, I'm a hater, I'm a user. I'm a mess for your love, it ain't new. I'm obsessed, I'm embarrassed, I don't trust no one around us. I'm a mess for your love, it ain't new. Nobody shows up unless I'm paying. Have a drink on me, cheers to the feeling. Oh, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, but that's okay. 'Cause I love me, I love me, I love me, I love myself anyway. Hey, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be okay. It's gonna be a good, good life. That's what my therapist say. Everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be just fine. It's gonna be a good, good life. I'm a mess, I'm a loser, I'm a hater, I'm a user. I'm a mess for your love, it ain't new. I'm obsessed, I'm embarrassed, I don't trust no one around us. I'm a mess for your love, it ain't new.
Everything's gonna be
Alright, everything's gonna be just fine, just fine. It's gonna be a good, good life. I'm a mess, I'm a loser, I'm a hater, I'm a user. I'm a mess for your love, it ain't new. I'm obsessed, I'm embarrassed, I don't trust no one around us. I'm a mess for your love, it ain't new.
Friends, after listening to that song, can you find the wrong sentences? Okay, I will tell you which are the wrong sentences. Before I begin, you must know a wrong is written by making a putri, mean the lyrics of the song could be a putri. Can you see the lyric of the song? Pay attention to the sentences in the bold tip. In the lyric, you can find 3 wrong sentences. Do you know the correction of the wrong sentences? The first wrong sentence is, he don't wanna be my baby. The correction is, he doesn't wanna be my baby. The difference between the two sentences is in a use tone and doesn't. Why is different? What kind of tenses is in that sentence? Remember tense for a simple present sentence. The structure is Subject, verb 1, SES. Object, subject you, I, they, we, used to, and he, she, it, used does. So, sentence, he don't wanna be my baby is not correct. The correction is, he doesn't wanna be my baby. The second wrong sentence is, he don't love me. This sentence is the same as the first wrong sentence. Use don't for simple present tense. Then, what is the correction? Change the word don't to doesn't. So the correct sentence is, he doesn't love me. The third wrong sentence, no one around us. This sentence uses simple present tense. The word around is wrong because word has not used a simple present tense correctly. Because it hasn't added SES. So, what is correction? The correct sentence is no one around us. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, that's all from us. We will apologize for all of the mistakes because no one is perfect. Okay, today have done. We are from the group 1. Back to you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.